Hey guys, it's Cody back for another Tech Tip Tuesday, and we are continuing our series on the Bookshare Web Reader app. In this video, we are learning how to read a book with your screen reader. That's right here today on Tech Tip Tuesday. So I'll begin by navigating to my book. Remember last time, once I opened the book, I made a bookmark so I could easily navigate to my book without even thinking about it. That bookmark is in my bookmarks bar, and I can get there with the key command Alt plus Shift plus B. Let me do that now.
Bookmarks toolbar, home bookmark button HTTPS.
And then I can tab over to my bookmark.
Bookshare Reader, through the magnifying glass bookmark button HTTPS.
And once I'm there, I'll press Enter.
Bookshare Reader, clickable loading, main landmark through the magnifying glass frame notice heading level 1.
So now that I'm in my book, there are two main ways to read this book using the Bookshare Web Reader. The first is to use headings and your screen reader's reading commands. If you're not sure how to navigate by heading with your screen reader, check out our basic internet navigation course. And of course, reading commands are in working with text. For today's video, I'm using NVDA, so navigating by heading will be the H key. Let me do that now.
Contents heading level 2. Chapter 1 heading level 2. Chapter 2 heading level 2.
And as you can see, moving by heading will allow me to quickly navigate the chapters of my book. And when I reach a chapter that I want to read, I'll switch over to my reading commands, and I can begin reading this chapter. Just like this.
Heading level 2 chapter 2. Before we even pulled into the driveway, I was opening the automatic door. Slow down, Julia. Mom cried from the front, bringing the car to a stop.
Now, once you reach the end of your page, you can continue to the next page button. So if you know how to use your quick keys, you know that you can navigate to the next button with what key command? Yeah, if you're using JAWS or NVDA, it's the B key. And of course, with ChromeVox, that's ChromeVox plus B. Let me try it.
Previous button. Next button.
And press Enter to move on to the next page.
Loading. Loaded.
Note that you'll need to use this method if you're using a braille display paired to your screen reader. For more information on braille displays and how you can pair a braille display with your screen reader, check out our course Diving into Braille Displays. Now let's say that you're reading only with audio and you just want to sit back, relax, and listen. Well, in this case, you can navigate through the controls on this page to find the play button. Again, this is a button, so what will your key command be? Yeah, with JAWS or NVDA, again, it's B, and with ChromeVox, it's ChromeVox plus B. Let me try it.
No next button.
So my screen reader said no next button. Well, if this happens to you, just remember that there are two directions that any screen reader can go. They can go forwards to the next button or backwards to the previous button. Now there's no next button, right? I wonder if there's a previous button. Remember, to go backwards, all you do is add the Shift key. So I'm using NVDA, that's Shift plus B. And of course with ChromeVox, ChromeVox, Shift, B, right? Let me do it.
Previous button. Navigation landmark bookmark. Where am I? Audio skip ahead button. Play button.
And there it is. I can press the Enter key and my book will begin to read out loud. So as you can see, to be successful in this process, it requires a lot of basic screen reader skills. You need to know your quick keys and your reading commands, and you need to be pretty comfortable on the internet overall. If you or your learner is not there yet, no worries, it's a really long journey. And if you're just at the very beginning of that journey, I want you to take a look at our screen reader curriculum. This video-based curriculum offers a total of 6 hours of lessons for instructors and for users that teach all of the fundamental screen reader skills. You can check out the link in the description for a 30-day free trial. Next time on Tech Tip Tuesday, we will be beginning to tackle online forms. That's right. How in the world do you fill out an online form with your screen reader? There are check boxes and combo boxes and radio buttons. How do you keep it all straight? Well, if this sounds familiar to you, Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button below so you can get notified when that video comes out. And until then, I'll see you next time on Tech Tip Tuesday.